Time for Fish.io. I'm a turtle. I'm coming for email. Take that. Take that. Take that. Take that. Oh my god, I'm killing everyone. Oh no, I died. No. Are you kidding me? I died. Oh my god, I was killing so many people. Oh my god. Highest rank 1 killed 5 people. Matching. No, I already died. I'll retry. Matching. Why am I USA though? Why am I so dumb? I just died in the spot again. I'm so dumb. Retry. There we go, finally. I got something. Mouse is coming. Yeah. Thank you. Food. Thank you. Oh, the boss is already there. No. I'm kind of good at this game, but I hate when people are killing me. That's Snake.io. Oh my god. This is gonna take so long. Monster, come on. Oh my god, he was doing really good. God. I have a new fish. And all of the players are gonna die. See? One of them died. Wait, just. Yeah. Ja. 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 I killed the boss. I'm the king of the world. Ja. Hacha. Hacha. Oh my god, I'm a king of the world. Oh, no, come on. I got in second place. Look at me, I was literally the god.
Oh, they're spawning right here. Give me that. Yes, sir. Give me that. Give me that.
Is that Fulton?
Yes, sir. Give me that.
Is that Fulton? What in the world?
You guys are cheaters. Got the key. Perfect. Thank you. Yes, sir. Come on. Something good. Ooh, let's go. All right. Oh my God. Let's go. Give me that one. Yes, sir. Okay.
I think that was just I think that wasn't Fulton. They like did something. You try it. It's like Snake IO. No. How did he kill me?
This method will help you get tons of Robux in Roblox for free.
Can't go bloody fish.
Free Robux waiting for you.
Oh my god, I didn't even know. That was too fast. Too fast, bro. Oh my god. Bro, the boss has literally a strong weapon. If you want to see more Fish IO, like and subscribe.